In this video, you'll learn what causes ingrown hairs, how to treat them safely, and the best ways to stop them for good. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is an ingrown hair? An ingrown hair grows back into the skin instead of out. This often happens after shaving, waxing, or tweezing. When hair is cut too short, it can curl back inside. Curly or coarse hair is more likely to become ingrown. Dead skin can block hair from growing out. Tight clothing can push hair back into the skin.
Shaving against the direction of hair growth increases risk. Using dull razors also irritates the skin.
Sometimes, pus-filled bumps can form, and they can be painful or itchy.
Bacteria can worsen the situation. This can lead to redness and swelling.
But don't worry, there are solutions. First rule, don't pick or squeeze it.
This can cause infection or scarring. Apply a warm compress to the area. This helps the hair come to the surface. Gently exfoliate the skin.
Use a mild scrub or chemical exfoliant. Look for ingredients like salicylic acid.
If the hair is visible, you can release it gently. Always use clean tools. Apply an antiseptic after removal.
To prevent infection, avoid shaving over irritated areas. Give your skin time to heal.
Use soothing creams like aloe vera or hydrocortisone for inflammation. For severe cases, consult a doctor.
You may need prescription treatment,
especially if infections keep returning.
Now let's prevent them completely.
Always exfoliate regularly. This removes dead skin cells. Use a sharp, clean razor.
Replace blades often. Shave in the direction of hair growth. Never rush while shaving. Use shaving gel or cream. This reduces friction. Avoid stretching your skin too tight.
Rinse your blade after each stroke. Moisturize after shaving. This keeps skin soft.
Avoid tight clothes after hair removal. Let your skin breathe. Consider trimming instead of shaving. Or try laser hair removal for long-term results. Use products designed for ingrown hair prevention, especially if you're prone to them. Stay consistent with your routine. Healthy skin reduces ingrown hairs. Drink enough water. Keep your skin hydrated. Avoid harsh products. Consistency is key, and results will follow. Smooth, healthy skin is achievable.
They can irritate your skin. Be gentle with your body. Small changes make a big difference.
Now you know how to treat and prevent ingrown hairs. Start applying these tips today. Your skin will thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video.